Okay, continue. 14. Yain Nesach. Oh, that's actually, it's very interesting. That's Yain Nesach. It's our topic that we discussed this last Tuesday in Kitzur Shulchan Aruch. Wine of libation. One may not drink or derive any benefit from wine that has been poured as a sacrificial manner to Avodah Zarah, idolatry. In addition, one may not derive benefit from anything served as idol in a sacrificial manner. So, but if it was not served as a sacrificial manner, that's a little. There is a leniency in there, a little. Other wines produced by a non-Jew, and even kosher wine that left with a non-Jew are forbidden through rabbinic injunction. Right? This is discussion in section C2 in chapter 17. Okay. So we're going to get to chapter 17, Beezrat HaShem. But just to summarize, so Yain Nesach is like biblical restriction is the wine that was poured as a libation for idol worship. So So most of the non-Jews were idol worshippers, as we know. Some more, some less, but it does not matter. So today, of course, it's even though like you go to winery to California or upstate New York, wherever they have this wine. So most of them maybe not, maybe they secular, maybe some of them Christians, which is idol worshippers. Okay, but for us it's not relevant. So we say that rabbinic decree, it's always prohibited. Even non-Jew, as we said, he touched my bottle, that it was open, right? He lifted it up, he shake it a little. So that's enough to make the wine prohibited. Okay, so here we finished with prohibited food, types of prohibited foods.